Today on the Dude's Kitchen, we're making a healthy alternative to a Thanksgiving classic. That's right, we're making an alternative to green bean casserole. That's right here on the Dude's Kitchen. Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from the Dude's Kitchen, and today we're cooking outside again. Said it's the middle of November, just like the last couple episodes, but it is getting a little chilly out here, so I got my Dude sweater. Kind of look like Mr. Rogers. How's everybody going? It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Aside from the dogs that are going to bark, you know that, they're just going to bark anyways. So anyhow, today I thought we would do a little bit of a different spin on a green bean casserole. This is probably a little more healthier version of it, and it's absolutely delicious. I made this last year, loved it. Really all it is shallots, already cut them, mushrooms, and steamed green beans. But I'm gonna add something just a little different to it, and I'm going to put in a piece of bacon. But I'm gonna kind of crispify this bacon. So I'm only going to use 2 pieces for this. Uno and dos, right there. Got to take the Cuisinart 360 griddle out. That was nice. Put them on. Let these bad boys start cooking down. For the meantime, I'm going to grab some avocado oil, and I'm going to put it into this pan right here. Let it start, because that's what the shallots and the mushrooms are going to go into. I really like cooking with avocado oil just because the consistency is just a little different. From what I understand, the heat index is higher than, say, olive oil. So, that said, let's start on our shallots. There's our friendly neighborhood dogs again. Love it. Hello, dogs. Nice to see you guys out barking again. Never even cooked with shallots before. I don't even have a clue what to do with them. Last year, when I made this, I used onion. I guess all a shallot is an onion, right? So, I cut it up basically into 4 little pieces. And we're just gonna take them down. They sure smell good. That's for sure. Now I'm not even going to use all the shallots. I'm going to turn this down. Not even going to use all the shallots. Next thing I'm going to do is my granddaughter Emmy there. Hi Emmy. What I'm going to do is just take some mushrooms. Let one roll off the side. Let these bad boys in there for a while. Let them kind of cook up a little bit. Flip our bacon. So we want our bacon to be fairly crispy. I'll let you see it there. That's turned down. Next thing we're going to do, check our water. We want our water boiling here, because we're going to take the green beans and we're going to put them in a little container so they're steamed for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to throw them in with that. Welcome back everybody. So it's been about 6 minutes, maybe 7, and our water started to boil. These things started cooking a little too fast over here, so I did turn the heat down and I had to move them off to the side. But bacon's coming along good, getting a nice crisp to it. The next thing we're going to do with our Halloween glove here, take the top off. I'm just going to take some green beans, put them in here. I've already taken the tops off the green beans, you know, the little string thing, and just want to put them in there like that. Put them down inside just outside of the boiling water. Cover it. Now we're going to give it 5 minutes. We're going to take them out. Okay guys, it's been 5.5 minutes actually, because I had to get everything set up. So we're going to take our green beans out. We don't want them like mushy. We want them hot inside, but we don't want them like, you get it, mushy. Yeah, hot inside and mushy. I like it. So, come back over here. Throw these bad boys down in here. Take our bacon. Hear that crunch? Liking it. Bacon over the top. Now we're going to cover this for a few minutes and let everything kind of just come together. Be right back. Okay, everybody, it's been about 5 minutes on the flat top. I think we're done. Look at that. Oh yeah, that looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I always gotta test bacon. Let's try it out, you know. Add a little salt to it. Hot. Oh, full of flavor, guys. Goes great with a beer. Super simple to make. You guys saw me. It was really good with a beer. Anyhow, I want to wish everybody a happy, safe, and healthy Thanksgiving. I really do. Thanks everybody for watching. Please remember to make this. This is full of flavor. Great alternative to a casserole. Another thing too to think about is for my friends who don't eat meat like RJ inspires, just don't put the bacon in. Everything else is plant-based, so dig this stuff. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Happy Thanksgiving from all of us here at the Dude's Kitchen. Remember to be safe, enjoy the time with your family and friends. Anyhow, thanks again for watching everybody, and remember, the Dude abides with green beans, mushrooms, onions, and bacon. We'll talk to you later.